Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to review @GreatestMedical on Instagram, and we'll put links to the channel below. First, we see an open comedone being removed with Q-tips. I personally enjoy using comedone extractor tools, and I'll put a link to my favorite in the description below. Next is a fascinating dental scraping video. This dentist is removing plaque and buildup from this individual's teeth. Here is another comedone removal with a comedone extractor. Let's look at that smooth removal. Nice. This clip alone has 22,000 views. And this bursitis image may be one of the most visually appealing I've seen in a while. Would it make a good thumbnail for the video? And lastly, we have Leanne from 911reviews.com giving her opinion on Restmore.
So I took some Restmore and oh my god, I felt good. I can't wait to get into my bed. I'm eating my food and it tastes better. It really tastes better. So I highly recommend this product.
Isn't she adorable? Well, whatever she took, I want some. If you enjoy our videos, please click subscribe and click the notification bell to see updates. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up with everybody in the world? This your boy Kylie Muscle, and as you see, I represent muscle and fitness and cuts and striations. You see what I'm saying? And this is a shout out to the team at Energy. You guys are doing a great work, man. Nobody cares more about fitness and nutrition than I do. So keep up the good work. It's all about incredible gains and great results. Stay motivated. Love y'all. Let me give you a little more inspiration and motivation. Look at them cuts. Love you. Stay blessed.